In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first portfolio in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple place to track positions and see how they're doing, all within the TradingView platform. Start by logging into your TradingView account. Using a desktop browser makes navigation straightforward, and once you're signed in, look to the top right of the screen. Click your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initials that open your account menu. In that menu, select Portfolio. This takes you to the area where all your portfolios live. If you've never created one before, the page will be blank and ready for your first setup. Next, click Create New Portfolio. You're about to define the basic details. Give your portfolio a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might choose something like Core Holdings, Swing Trades, or Crypto Watchlist. Anything that helps you instantly recognize what's inside. A good name makes it easier to stay organized as you add more portfolios over time. Now select the currency you want to use for this portfolio. This sets the base currency for calculations and summaries. Choose the one you most often think in when evaluating performance. It's worth pausing here to double-check your choice so your returns are shown in a way that makes sense to you. When you're satisfied, click Create. Your portfolio is now set up and ready for positions. To start adding what you own or what you want to simulate, click Add Transaction. This opens a simple form for your first entry. Enter the symbol, the quantity, and the price. For the symbol, use the correct ticker and, if needed, confirm the exchange so you're tracking the exact instrument you intend. Quantity is how many units you're holding. Depending on the asset, that might be whole shares, contracts, or fractional units. For the price, enter the execution price you want the portfolio to use for cost basis. If you're modeling an existing position, match the price you actually paid. If you're creating a what-if scenario, enter the price you want to analyze from. Once everything looks right, click Add. You'll see the position appear in your portfolio, and from here you can repeat the add transaction process for each additional holding you want to include. Take a moment to review your entries for accuracy, correct symbols, or correct quantities, and a price that reflects your intended cost. That's it. You've created your first portfolio in TradingView and added your initial transaction. Keep building from here to track your full set of positions, and you'll have a clear, centralized view of your market exposure and performance.